Right now, you can plainly see where our next weather maker is. It's in the middle part of our country, producing snow from portions of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Minnesota, south into Kansas. And also, we are just over the last 2 to 3 hours or so starting to see some pretty nasty thunderstorms developing across Oklahoma and Arkansas. This is all heading eastbound for us. It will arrive for us here as we head into tomorrow late day and linger into the evening hours. But for now, things are quiet. Tonight is quiet. Tomorrow morning is quiet. By around lunchtime tomorrow, those clouds will thicken, and that will set the stage for more clouds and a better chance for rain and some thunderstorms pushing in after about 2 to 3, maybe 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So again, tonight, no weather worries. Tomorrow morning, we're going to awaken, and I think we're going to see some sunshine. Short-lived. By lunchtime, we're mainly cloudy, and here comes the moisture. Notice that we could potentially see for a couple of hours or so a brief wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain towards the higher elevations of Highland and Bath counties. The rest of us, it's all rain, and the rain is going to fill in big time between 4 and 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, it is going to be wet, it's going to be gloomy, and it could potentially even be a little stormy. Notice as we go through time, this is a very fast-moving storm system. Honestly, I think it's gone between about 9 and 10 p.m. tomorrow, okay? So it's going to be here for about 6 to 8 hours, quickly moving from the southwest to the northeast. Behind the storm system, we're going to cool down, and that'll set the stage for some upslope snow showers to develop late Friday night and linger into at least part of the day on Saturday. Most of those snow showers stay along the west slopes of West Virginia. Then we look ahead to next week. Colder air, Arctic air is pushing in here, and it's going to arrive for us here likely late Monday into Tuesday, just in time for potentially a storm system to come at us from the west. And I will tell you that the computer models are not in agreement with what could potentially happen Monday night into Tuesday. For now, we're just going to say snow is possible on Tuesday. Regardless, it's going to be really, really cold. It's not a matter of temperature. We're going to be cold next week. It's a matter of if the moisture can get in here. High temperatures Tuesday through at least Thursday, if not Friday of next week. Highs in the 20s and 30s with lows in the teens. So there's a lot of computer model disparity as to what could potentially happen Monday night into Tuesday of next week. If the north and south system do not come together, they stay separated, that keeps most of the moisture offshore. Not a whole lot of moisture, not a whole lot of precipitation for us then Monday night into Tuesday. But if the north and south system phase or come together to form a stronger low pressure system, that will throw more snow at us Monday night into Tuesday, and we could be, looking at anywhere from 2 to maybe 5 inches of snow. Again, there's a lot to be determined here over the next couple of days, and it's all a matter if the moisture will be here or not. It's going to be cold, though. Now, as far as how long it's been since we've seen 1 inch of snow in Roanoke, it's been 725 days. A huge snow drought. The last time we saw an inch or more of snow in Roanoke happened January 16th of 2022. But regardless, as I said, the polar vortex is coming our way. It's a large area of cold that typically resides in the poles. It's going to make a dip to the south because of the jet stream taking a big dip to the south. It's going to grab that cold air, put it in place, and man, oh man, is it ever going to be cold next week. Cool outside right now, but not normally cold. 26 in Wytheville, but 41 Roanoke, 34 Lynchburg, 33 in Danville. Your forecast for tonight, more clouds developing after midnight. Overnight lows 26 to 32. For tomorrow, going to see a dry start to the day. By day's end, it's going to be very wet. Could have a couple of thunderstorms, a forecast late Monday into Tuesdays, depending upon if we get moisture in play. Regardless, look at that high on Tuesday, 32, only 34 on Wednesday.